Yeah, hi guys. Yeah, good evening. Myself, Rahul. I have 8 years of experience in the automotive domain. In my 8 years, 4 years it belongs to testing, and after that, I move on into the diagnostic developer now. Uh, okay, yeah, we can start our course today. I'll share my screen. Okay, first of all, I think this course is which is related to it will be related to automotive domain. In the automotive domain, we have a lot of vehicles, right? For an example, we can take as in cars, bikes, um, trucks, trains, whatever, like those and all, which is belongs to, it will be communicating with the embedded systems. In nowadays, very specified, like we have like modern cars. We can compare with the modern cars. Each car, the modern, like the specifications, which we it might be very high and the very embedded systems they are using. Those are not. It's very those things we have the one code, the software. The software we are testing in in the pre-board. Um, Here now we can this. What is embedded system? First of all, what is embedded systems? These embedded systems, which is used to to perform specified tasks. Like I need to communicate, I need to switch on the an LED. I need to switch on an LED. I need to use for the some algorithms, some logical operations. Like for example, we can use a calculator. It is only an embedded system. We can take it as a laptop. It is as an embedded system. These are which will be used to perform specific tasks or functions. Okay. For example, the temperature reading systems will be there, right? It will be used for the specific task. It will be identify the temperature, like washing machines, refrigerators, air conditioners. These are all belongs to embedded systems. Under the embedded systems, we have microcontrollers. In the microcontrollers, we have the I/O pins, input or output pins. Do like this is the one example of embedded board. Here we have microcontrollers. These and all right. These and all which is communicating with specific task. We need to communicate with the like for an example, we can take it as a TV. It need to activate the HDMI. Those things will be connected through here and Ethernet LAN cables. In the laptop at the edge will be there, right? Like this type of box will be available there. These all will be communicating with the another hardware also. These devices which is used to communicating with different nodes, like that we have the in automotive domain they are using automotive in the automotive domain they are using CAN protocol. Like this, like for an example we can take another, we can have the Wi-Fi board. This is our Wi-Fi board. Our Wi-Fi board will be connected with the LAN cable here with the laptop. This Wi-Fi board is communicating with this board, then only you will get the internet, right? Like that we have in the automotive domain, in the vehicles, mostly we are using CAN protocol. Here at this communication, like Ethernet is a communicator, right? Same to same, one CAN communication will be using. Those things we are teaching each and every candidate. Okay. And coming to what is our automotive embedded systems? What is automotive embedded systems? In what is automotive embedded systems, which is used in modern cars like the modern vehicles to control various functions and provide a range of the features. Okay, these systems play a crucial role. Mainly, these systems are using in the crucial roles and enabling advanced functionalities, improving safety, seat belts, and airbags, and those and all, and driving experience, and nowadays like driverless cars. These each and every system called as an automotive embedded systems. Those are the embedded systems. Okay, these are main embedded systems are used in the automotive domain. Okay, coming to examples of the embedded systems. These are the examples of the embedded system. First, in automotive embedded system, they are calling as ECU. ECU. ECU means electronic control unit. ECU means electronic control unit. Each unit will be control each and every element. In my point of view, like we have the motor car, like each motor car has 200 to 250 ECUs minimum. They are using in systems. Minimum 200 to 250 ECUs. 200 to 250 ECUs. Okay, these are all using in the automotive vehicle in modern car. For an example, one of the ECU, it is related to engine control unit. Engine control unit. Why this ECU will be used? This ECU will be used to perform the engine, the performance of the engine, how the emission will be going under the engine, and how the fuel will be injected to the engine, how the ignition timing will be happened. These and all everything. This issue will be monitored. This issue will be monitored, and if you have any problem in this issue, it will be identified, and it gives the error or warnings. Error or warnings. Then we can repair it and we can resolve that problem. It is easy. These systems are easy to identify the bugs, like easy to identify the repairs. If you like, if you sending a car, right? If you doesn't have any communications, you doesn't have anything like these are the issues. It doesn't have those are the issues. If you need to identify any error, like my vehicle is not started, you need to identify any error. Then it might be take lot of days. That's why they are used with these issues. These issues they are connecting on system, right? If you have anybody, do you have any cars? If anybody have a car, they went to car, go to the service center, they will create one XML, one document, report. In the document, it will be implemented number of fault codes, the engine performance, and gearbox performance. Everything will be there. They are put on this document. Those document, with respect to those document, the mechanic will be service your vehicle, and he will give to you, right? Like that, each one, like each ECU will work for separate communications. For an example, engine control unit uses for to control engine performance, fuel injections, ignition timings, emission control. These and all, everything will be identified by this ECU. Everything will be identified by this ECU. Okay, the engine will get the power, right? Engine get the power. After getting the power, it need to transmit. It need to transmit to the vehicle. You need to transmit the vehicle. That transmit called as a transmission control unit. Transmission control unit. The power, which power will be generated from the ECU, the engine control ECU. The ECU power getting right, that power will be transferred to the transmission control unit. In this transmission control unit, what it will be used? It will be communicate with the clutch, gear shafts. Gears will be there, right? First gear, second gear, like that. Gears, clutches. It will be gives the power to transmit the vehicle. To transmit the vehicle. That thing will be happen under this. That is called as a transmission control unit. Transmission control unit. Right. After getting you power right, the vehicle has been moved on into the run state. The vehicle will be moving in run state. In the run state, you need to stop the vehicle. Stop the vehicle. That thing will be related to anti-lock braking systems, ABS. Anti-lock braking systems, ABS. Yeah, that thing will be called as an anti-lock braking system. In this braking, these systems will be used to lock the vehicle wheels, brakes, or during hard braking, the stability of the vehicle, and reducing stopping the distance. These systems will be used for the anti-lock braking system. This is the third control unit which we are using in the automotive embedded system. Right? I will understand. If you understand, just raise your hand. If you have any doubt, just unmute yourself and ask the question. Okay. Yeah. We can go to next control unit. Yeah. Okay. Next, coming to one more control unit. This control unit which is used for stability of the vehicle. Stability of the vehicle. Like for an example, in the rainy seasons, the vehicles will be little skidding, right? In that particular situation, this control unit will be used to reduce the skidding or to reduce the control of the vehicle. Control of the vehicle. It will be like sometimes if you are not able to control it in the some situations, like if you are going into the tank, if you are going into the full rainy season, full rains, that period of time, if you are not able to control the vehicle, that a vehicle will be going to some skidding related types, then this issue will be worked. This issue will be worked and it will be maintain the vehicle stability. Maintain the vehicle stability. Okay, that issue is called as an electronic stability control. That issue is called as an electronic stability control. And coming to another issue, this issue which is related to airbag control engine. This issue will be used for safety purposes. If you like, if you hit any way, if you hit any pole or any accident, any collision will be happen. That period of time, it will be detected, and it will be open the airbags for the safety purpose. That issue will be controlling by this. That airbags will be controlled by this ECU, airbag control unit. Okay, and coming to next system, next control unit, infotainment system. Infotainment system. This system which is used for digital and video related things, digital, video, audio related things. This system will be used. Uh, for an example, the system will be responsible for audio, video, navigation, and connectivity features that entertain and inform drivers and the passengers. Entertains. Okay, that system will be called as an infotainment system. In this system, we can use two protocols. One is Ethernet, another one is CAN protocol. Here also in the advanced driver vehicles, ADAS also there we are using Ethernet and CAN protocol. Okay, these advanced driver assistance systems which is used for cameras, radars, and sensors to provide functionalities such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and collision warning, and automatic emergency braking. Yeah, hi, Venugopal.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, యాక్చువల్గా నేను ఇన్ఫోటైన్మెంట్ నేర్చుకున్నాను సార్, వెహికల్ ఇన్ఫోటైన్మెంట్, బెంచ్ లెవెల్ ఇన్ఫోటైన్మెంట్.
Sorry, నీ వాయిస్ కొద్దిగా కట్ అవుతుంది.
ఓకే సార్, 1 minute. సార్ నేను ఇన్ఫోటైన్మెంట్ ఫీచర్ నేర్చుకున్నాను సార్. ఇప్పుడు ఇన్ఫోటైన్మెంట్ సిస్టమ్ ఉంది కదా,
యా,
అది నేను థియరిటికల్గా నేర్చుకున్నాను సార్. ఒకసారి దాని మీద మీరు ఉంటుందా సార్ మీ ట్రైనింగ్?
Okay, like we are providing just knowledge in the presence of input, and just we are providing knowledge how the systems will be available, those are all. But we are mostly giving the project, real time project we are providing, and practice sections, each and everything, which is some elements will be belonging into infotainment and advanced driver assistance also. But most of the things will be belongs to instrumental cluster.
Okay.
This one, most of the things
Okay.
belongs to. Like because we
Uh,
are practicing and we are providing the project according to these things. Instrumental cluster. We are developed one project. We are provided with you tool, project, everything to you. In this project, you need to like um, this infotainment will be available. Advanced driver assistance will be available. Tire pressure will be available, and also DCB door related will be available. These are all available. Which because of in the cluster, like we have lot of elements, lot of telltales, LED telltales, right? Each telltale will be monitored by each ECM. The climate control, tire pressure, infotainment related, and advanced driver assistance related, and apex yeah, anti-lock braking system related, and engine control related. Because of engine control related, we are using um, engine oil monitoring, and gear oil monitoring for the transmission control unit. Okay.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
But mostly we are focused on the cluster.
Okay. Your major focus is cluster, sir.
Yes, yes.
Okay. That is in the advanced level CDC cockpit domain control, or it's a different within infotainment and instrumentation cluster.
Can
Any
you
correction or not?
speak loudly? I am not getting your voice.
Yes, sir. Actually, the previous variant vehicles, the infotainment system is different, and vehicle cockpit, instrumentation cluster is different, right, sir?
Yes, yes.
Hello.
It's separated. Yes, yes. It's
Now,
separated. Like
now,
not only the previous, like if you go on the updated each and every vehicle, if you buy 10 lakhs per 10 lakhs car, right? The 10 lakhs car, the related specifications of infotainment and cluster, it's different. Of 1 crore car, the specification and cluster will be very different. But the concept which is used under this, under the automotive embedded systems, like the clusters or infotainment, the concept which is used, the CANOE and CAN related. If you get the knowledge, if you get the um, if you get the more knowledge, you understand each and everything about the CANOE and CAN protocol and CAPL scripting, how you are testing, what are the types of testing should you know. Those things will be, you know about that. If you would know about the specification of the car, it's fine. For any car, any specification, you can modify and you can write it, and you can write the test cases, and you can test it the vehicle also. The main thing will be here concept, the concept of the testing. Why we are using the testing? We need to use the testing for the safety purposes, the vehicle efficiency and safety purposes. We are using the testing, right? In the testing, if you like that, if clusters are different. If you know about the analog cluster or digital cluster, it's different, right? Analog are different and digital is separate, different. But the functionality is same. It will be identify the speed. It will be identify. It is also identify the speed. Here the speed limit will be 240. Here the speed limit will be 360. That's a different. But the testing concepts are same. How the CAPL script will be? We need to write the 240 speedometer, same as like 360. speedometer, it's same concept, right?
Yes, sir. Yes. Actually, I gave the interviews
Like
for
every
infotainment.
time, every time the infotainment or cluster or any car, the specification will be changed for every time. That thing will be not in our hands. It will be every time it will be changed. The but I'm sharing my knowledge, like whatever the in my 8 years, what I done in the past, my past 8 years. That's the knowledge I'm sharing to you. That's the things I developed. I prepare one document and I developed one my own project. It's my own project I developed for you. What are the concepts? Each and every concept. Like I'm not providing all the things, like which is the major concept for each car. That's
Sir,
where that's the thing I developed. That's a functionality I developed in Capacity.
yes, yes. Okay, sir. 1 minute, one question. Currently, you are working CDC cockpit domain control.
Can you speak a little loud? I'm not getting your voice. That's
Currently, you are working cockpit domain control.
sorry.
Currently, you are working cockpit domain control CDC.
No.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes. Okay, sir. Yeah. Yeah. Continue.
Okay. Is there any doubts? Like how many members understanding the Telugu?
I'm in Telugu, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Some more members are belongs to English, I think. So that's why. Who just raise your hands? You understand the Telugu? I will tell you something in Telugu. Yeah. What about the remaining persons? They needed only English, right? Yeah. Okay. They needed English. Think- Yeah, 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 sir. I'm an English. If in case anybody will be Telugu candidates, um, after joining in the group, like Mohan sir will be create the group. In the group, my number will be available. Just ping me in WhatsApp. I will. If you not understand anything, if you are confused anything, I will tell you in Telugu that in the call. Okay. Yeah. Next thing, instrumental cluster. In this cluster, like the instrumental cluster houses embedded systems that display vital information to the driver, which is these things will be displayed vehicle speed, fuel level, engine oil temperatures, and warning indicators like seat belt, doors indicators. Each and everything will be display for the driver. That system it is called as an instrumental cluster. Okay, and coming to climate control unit. This climate control unit, which is used to regulate the vehicle's interior temperature and vehicle's outside temperature and fan speed and airflow and blower, each and everything will be monitored by this control unit, climate control unit. Okay, next coming to tire pressure monitoring system. This system will be used to monitor the tire pressure. If the tire pressure will be less, then it will be show the warning in the cluster. It will be show the warning in the cluster. That thing will be monitored by this tire pressure monitoring system. Okay. Okay. And today we are discussed about the what is automotive embedded systems and the embedded system and what are the control units, majorly control units. These are the examples of the control units. We have a lot of control units, but these are the examples. We have the 200 to 250 ECUs, but most of the ECUs will be depending on these control units. That's the thing I took as an example. Okay. After that, we can discuss about CAN protocol and what type of testing at in the automotive domain. What are the types of jobs will be available in the automotive domain? Which job role will be differentiate with our classes? That thing will be we can discuss it tomorrow. Okay. We have the same time. We have the class at tomorrow. Okay, at the 9 o'clock. If you have any doubt, just unmute yourself and ask me questions about about the class. If you have any confusion about the automotive embedded testing, just unmute yourself and ask the question.
హలో సార్
Yeah.
సార్ దీనికి డిజిటల్ ఎలక్ట్రానిక్స్ అండ్ బీడీసీ అదే ఈడీసీ ఎలక్ట్రానిక్ డివైస్ సర్క్యూట్స్ ఈ సబ్జెక్ట్స్ అవసరమా సార్
No, it's not
నాన్
here.
ట్రిపుల్ వాళ్ళు ఎవరైనా ఓకే ఓకే
Oh, I'm telling you, like I am from also mechanical department in my graduation and the BTech mechanical.
ఓకే ఓకే
Yeah, if you any person, any degree person will be compatible with this job. So not a problem.
ఓకే బట్ దీనికి ఫ్రెషర్స్ కి అయితే ఉండవు కదా సార్ అంటే వేకెన్సీస్ ఎక్కువ ఓపెనింగ్స్
Yeah, openings will be
2023
very less. Yeah, for the freshers, openings very less. Some of the organizations they will took and they will provide the KTs also.
ఓకే
They give the trainings also for the
ఓకే
freshers.
దీనికి డిమాండ్ ఉంటాయా సార్ అంటే బాగా లైక్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ లాగా ఎక్కువ జాబ్స్
Yeah,
అంటే
I will show you something.
ఈ డొమైన్
Main thing in this in this job, we doesn't have the recession now. Because of why we doesn't have the recession mean, if you have the knowledge, if you have the particular knowledge, right, in any like, any issue, then it might be very easy. Like if you have any knowledge on the, for example, you have the knowledge on the instrumental cluster, right? If you would, if a performance will be little low, and you then they will not give any resistance, and they will not fight to you because of you have the knowledge on the cluster. If anybody need to come in this your position, he need to provide 2 or 3 months of KT, and he need to fit you in your role. It might be take minimum 6 months of time. That's why they will never lose you. Main the thing. I'm giving my some of the job roles. Can can, analyzer, capable. We have a lot of job openings also. Like this is the like it will be used 3 to 7 years of experience and 12 to 19 lakhs at the low year. Adas functionalities, and here also CAN battery management. Okay, we have a lot of openings at the last 30 days. We have a lot of openings, and our growth will be not negotiable. We have a lot of like if you get bigger packages also in the embedded systems of the in the future, the embedded systems are main important and main crucial role in the world. Okay.
Okay.
That's why most of the organizations, I'm telling one example. If you need to buy, like if you the in nowadays each house has a car, each house has a bike. Nowadays, at the next 5 years, each person has car. Each person
Yes,
has a car. The car will be bigger thing in the world now.
okay.
Yeah, in the past 5 years, 5 years, the bikes will the main thing. After completion of bikes, everybody will move into the car only. They are not willing to buy on the
Yes.
bike. That period of time, the specification of the car, they are looking into the specification of each car, the prices and the specifications and the implementation of the car. And like if you are buying on mobile, right, you are verifying all the specifications. What are the new specifications will come for that mobile? You need to identify, right? Like that in the car also, you need to identify the new specifications. That's why the car, not only the cars, buses, trucks, next generation will be next for 5 to 10 years. Next generation, everything will be belongs to this cars of these embedded systems. That's why compulsory you have a good future in this automotive domain.
Okay, sir. Sir, one more doubt, sir.
Yeah.
సార్ ఇది హిల్ టెస్టింగ్ అంటే ఇప్పుడు మీరు చెప్పే కోర్స్ హిల్ టెస్టింగ్ కింద వస్తుందా సార్? అంటే ఎట్లా అంటే దాని గురించి తెలియదు సార్.
Yeah. Hill testing or manual testing, it's both are same. Hill testing means we are connected our system virtually.
Okay.
For an example, you and me are connected through the Zoom. So virtually, right? We are not connected with an offline, right?
Yes, sir.
Same thing. Now, in the past, Corona will be there, right? That period of time, they are prepared one hill setup. That hill setup, we are connected by the virtual desktops. For an example, we taken as an example as a VMware, or some more links will be there to connect the virtual desktops, right? Any desktop, Microsoft Teams. These are all everything will be virtually. We can connect the system. We can control the system. Okay, that's the thing will be different for the hill setup. I will show you that how we are connected. That thing will be. I will show you real time.
ఓకే ఓకే
No, no,
సార్ ఇప్పుడు మీరు అంటే
I will not tell you lean flex rate.
ఓకే సార్
And I will show you that in the real time. At the completion of our course, right, we have two real time classes. One real time process which is completely belongs to hill setup. How the hill setup we are connected to the virtual. That thing I will show you in the real time, but that recording will be not available for you. That thing will be just we are creating our colleague system, and how the system we are connected virtually, how the software will be available, how the hill setup canopy will be connected. Those are all each and everything he will be show that period of time. Okay. Okay, is there anybody have questions? It might be like a step-by-step process we are giving to you. After completion of CAN, then we are teaching the CAPL scripting, which has practice sections also. We will provide the CAN to you, and daily we have the practice section, and I will provide the code in the group section, group also. After that, we are teaching the UDS concept. After completion of UDS, what we are developed the project, right, we given to you for 2 days, what you are analyzed, what you are understand our project. That thing we need to discuss first 2 days of classes. After that, how the project will be developed, how the project code will be developed, those and all I will be provide that to you. How we need to write the test cases, how we need to do the automation for this project, those and all. After completion of the, we have the 2 real-time classes. The 2 real-time classes we are providing to you. In the two real-time of classes, one thing will be related to manual testing, another thing will be related to field test. In that classes, they will be visualized. No, no, God. And we provided VTest Studio. Those are. Yeah, okay, then you have any doubts? You have any doubts? Okay, we can, if you doesn't have any doubts, like then we can connect it tomorrow at the same time at the 9 o'clock. We can discuss about that remaining topics. Right? Okay. Thank you all. Good night.
Thank you, sir. Thank you all. So, please close the meeting.